Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create 3D line chart in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data, date column, unit price and amount. To create 3D line chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the Line Charts option. Just click on this drop down arrow. The first is a 2D line and second is a 3D line. So you can select here the 3D line chart. Just click on it and here you can see the 3D line chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab, Format tab. In Chart Design tab, you can use this option to design your chart. So I'm going to change the chart style. Go to the chart design. In chart style, just click on this drop down arrow. Here you can see the different type of styles available. When you keep cursor on it, see the changes of the style. See the preview of the chart style. Simply click on it to apply the chart style. Here you can see the chart style is changed. If you want to increase the size of the line chart, simply drag the corner point through the mouse and you can see you can easily increase the line chart size. Okay. If you want to change the layout, again go to the Chart Design tab. In Chart Layout group, click on the second option, Quick Layout. Just click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the different types of layout is available. When you keep cursor on it, see the preview of the layout in 3D line chart. See the preview. So select the layout those you want. So I select this one and that's it. Here you can see you can easily change the layout also. Okay, if you want to change the chart type, again go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, change chart type. You can easily select the any chart type to change it. So here I'm going to select the line chart, different types of line charts. Okay. Here you can see in 3D line chart, there is only one 3D line chart. This is a selected and you can select this one also. So I just click on it and select this 3D line. Okay. And click on OK. Then see the changes over here. Your chart types also changed. Okay. And if you want to move these charts in another sheet, you can easily move it. Again, go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move chart option. Here the one dialog box is open and select in object in option. Click on this drop down arrow and select the sheet number 2 and click on OK. And here you can see the chart is moved in sheet number 2. If you want to remove this chart title, again go to the chart design. In chart layout, click on the add charts elements option. Then click on the chart title and click on the none. And here you can see the chart title is removed. Okay. If you want to format the charts, again go to the format tab and you can use this formatting option. You can format your text different way. So in Word art style, I just click on this drop down arrow and see the changes on the word art when I keep cursor on here. See the changes? I select this one. Okay. So this is a way you can use this format option also to design your chart, to format your chart word style. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.